Hi, today I'm for the Motorola One 5G and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on that device. So first, launch the Gmail application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see that we are logging here in Gmail account, and if you want to log out from Gmail account in our Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device. To do that, click to manage accounts on this device, select your account and click remove. After that, confirm your action by click to remove account, and we can see here that in Google account settings we have no any logged in account. So let's go back to the application, let's just refresh it, and now we can see that we just successfully logged out also from Gmail app. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.